Hey everyone, just wanted to record this because Google and Microsoft are currently in the process of fingerprinting emails and senders. What that means is when you send the exact same message or the exact same copy from multiple inboxes or domains or mailboxes, Google are now noticing and they kind of connect the dots on what's happening. So they're thinking these 50 accounts are all sending identical emails, therefore that's one person and you're no longer 50 separate senders, you're one sender with 50 accounts. So they used to just be marking domains and mailboxes and like your name. Now the actual copy within the email itself is being marked, resulting in deliverability tanking and of course less or no replies. The good news is there's a super easy way to fix that and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the solution is Spintax, otherwise known as spinning syntax. It is a method for creating multiple unique text variations from a single template by using the curly brackets or braces, pipe symbols and things like that, and allows you to do things like hi/hello/hey or whatever it might be in emails. So swaps out everything for you automatically, improves your deliverability, avoids the detection of bulk email and all of that type of thing. A few of you are already using Spintax, which is great. However, now it is pretty much a necessity, otherwise you will not be landing in the inbox anymore. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we are now within Instantly and it's very easy. I'm going to copy and paste these exact things into the comments of this post, by the way, so you can literally just copy and paste it and use these for yourselves. You can get super crazy with Spintax and do like Spintax offers and different things and Spintax custom variables and all of these crazy things. You don't really need to do that. The only things you need to do are the introduction and the outro. So as an example, this will basically rotate every single email between hi, hello, and hey, and then the person's first name. That's just the standard body of the email of what we're currently sending. And then the outro, or the ending of the email, will rotate between thanks, cheers, and best. You can throw in like kind regards or all the best or whatever you kind of wanted to do. It's completely up to you what you wanted to say here, as long as you have at least 3 or 4 variations, but a minimum of 3. And then it will go into your account signature. So we'll show you what that looks like. So once you've got this in here, you just go into the preview and you send from any of your mailboxes. It doesn't really matter. I'll just select one of my random ones, this one, and you select the lead. So we've got Kelly, Sarah, and Harry. And watch what will happen here. So for Kelly's, we've got hello Kelly and thanks, and then I'll switch to Sarah. It'll switch out to hey and cheers. And then I'll switch to Harry, it'll go hi and best. So you get the point. It'll automatically swap that out for you and ensure that it's deliverable, ensure that you're staying in the inbox, and will avoid the fingerprinting completely. Again, super simple. There's loads of different tutorials and things like that on how to do this. But again, I will copy and paste this exact framework and the exact same intro and outro. So you literally just take it from the school comments, upload it into your Instantly instance, and it'll take care of the entire thing for you, and then just click resume campaign onto your sequence. And that's pretty much it. That's the easy way to solve this problem. So yeah, hope that helps guys, and thank you for watching.